Good afternoon. This is call number 2022-26905. In the interest of Malcolm Howard, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Julie Howard, mother.
Representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Perard.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Robert Howard III. Mr. Howard was personally served on May 19, 2022 at 7:38 a.m. at 7401 Katy Freeway in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Perard?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this time the state would call Ms. Howard. Ma'am, you and Mr. Howard are currently married. Is that correct?
No.
You are not married?
Well, I found out we were married in the court. I do have a marriage license, but I found out that he was also married to someone else, and he divorced the person while we were married.
Okay. Nonetheless, the good thing
I'm sorry.
it's the child was born prior to your alleged marriage. So the child was born before y'all even got what we thought was married. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And he signed an acknowledgement of paternity and he's already been established as the father of that child. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, in regards to conservatorship, you have no objection to being named joint managing conservator with Mr. Howard, with you designating the residence with a geographic restriction to Harris and contiguous counties. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
In regards to possession and access, you have no objection to the standard possession order being entered in this case. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, as for his income, we've been able to confirm that Mr. Howard has been working at Cantex Continuing Care Network since 2019, and he grosses approximately $3,008 per month. Is that your understanding?
Okay.
And we've been able to, you have personal knowledge that he has health coverage for the child because he's had that in the past, and from your knowledge continues to maintain that. Is that correct?
I'm just going on what he told me.
Okay.
I haven't seen anything. No.
Or from what he has told you that he has health insurance through his employer, which we've confirmed his employer, are you asking that he maintain that health insurance through his employer and be ordered to carry that health and dental?
Yes, ma'am. And
we don't know how much is actually costing, but you were willing to give him credit instead of no credit, give him credit in the amount of $135 per month and $10 per month for dental, which would be the amount had we ordered him to reimburse you for Medicaid. Is that your understanding?
I never had Medicaid.
My question is, if you had Medicaid, that would be the amount that we would ask him to reimburse. So
we're
willing to have, since we don't know how much it costs,
right,
we're willing to give him that same amount of credit, because it could be more, it could be less. We're giving him some form of credit instead of zero.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Giving him credit for the cost of that health insurance that we've allocated for his current child support will be $485 beginning September 1st of 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
In regards to the retroactive support, you and Mr. Howard have been separated for several years. We previously filed this legal action a couple of years ago. And so you're asking for retro only from when we previously filed that, which was in August of 2020. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And since that has been at the same time period that we know he's been employed, we're calculating that retro of the last 25 months at the same amount his current income is, to be a total of $12,125. And that'd be paid back at a rate of $100 per month beginning September 1st of 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
That concludes the order, Your Honor. I pass my witness.
All right, the court will approve the agreement as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?